Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change shocks on a Ford F250. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, and a socket set. Make sure you have the correct replacement shocks for your specific F250 model. Always prioritize safety by working on a level surface and wearing appropriate protective gear. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. To begin with the front shocks, safely lift the front of your truck using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Locate the upper and lower mounting bolts for the shock absorber. Use the appropriate size wrench or socket to remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, carefully compress and remove the old front shock from its mounting points. Take your time to avoid any sudden movements. Moving to the rear, lift the back of your F250 and support it securely with jack stands, just as you did for the front. Identify the upper and lower mounting bolts for the rear shocks. These are typically straightforward to access. Loosen and remove both the upper and lower bolts. Once free, carefully pull the old rear shock absorber out from its position. This process is quite similar to the front. Now install your new shocks. Position the new shock into the mounting points and insert the upper and lower bolts. Hand tighten them first, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. Once all shocks are installed, carefully lower your F250 off the jack stands. Finally, take your truck for a short test drive to ensure everything feels right and the new shocks are functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.